Friends, in this video you're gonna learn how to download and install NetBeans IDE and JDK and how to create your first program. Okay, you have to search for NetBeans IDE. You can see a download option. You have to click it here and download. Okay, you can see it's NetBeans 27. Okay, and you have to download the bin file. Okay, so double click and it will download automatically. You can see these are the instructions. So it will take some time to download. You can see download get started. Now type Ctrl J and check. You can see it's downloading. Now it's time to download JDK. So you have to search for JDK. It's Java Development Kit. Okay. Just search for JDK and you can see Java downloads. Okay. And here you easily download JDK. Okay. You have to select your platform. I'm using Windows and 64-bit. So double click to download. Okay, so it will take some time to download. We have to wait, okay, until our downloads complete. Okay, now you can see our JDK and NetBeans downloaded successfully. Now it's time to install JDK. Okay, so you have to double click and install. Next, if you want to change your directory, you may change. Okay, and click next. You can see it will take some time to install JDK. Okay, so you can see our JDK installed successfully. Just close it and now extract the NetBeans IDE. It's binary file, so don't need to install, just extract it. Okay, and just click extract and it will be extracted. Okay, so it will take some time. So you can see it's extracted successfully. What you have to do now, you have to open the bin folder. You can see a bin folder at the end and you can see an option NetBeans. Okay, so you have to double click and your IDE started successfully. So here you have to create a new project, select Java and then Java application. Click next. So it will take some time to configure and create a project for you. So you have to wait. So here you have to name your application. Okay, so I name it as Java Hello World and your company name if you wanna give. Okay, so write your company name or group ID, whatever you want. Click finish and your first project in Java is created successfully. Now you can see this is our first project in Java, Hello World program, system.out.println. And once you run this one, it will take some time.